Hey, Ethan has gotten a response to my request for cows. Ethan, what's in the bag? What's in there, Ethan? What is it? What's in there? What's in the bag, Ethan? What is that? What is that? Is that your cow? Oh my goodness. Look at how happy he is. I got a new cow. Thank you, Doug, for the cow. Ethan really loves it. Thank you very much. Now I've got cow little and cow big for when I go in the hospital, so I'll have a spare cow. Oh, look how happy he is with the cows. Thank you. Ethan, say,
oh,
show him, Ethan. He's giving him kisses. Show everybody. Everybody send me more cows, Chick-fil-A cows. I'm collecting them for when I go in the hospital, so I always have a comfy cow. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.